do this first. Get rid of one of his rooks. Let's see. Hmm. Hmm. What's he trying to do here? We'll just take this away from him. I mean, he has this and then this, which is not good. Hmm. I thought for sure he would do the shot here. I think he missed it. Why not weaken him? Hmm. Nice shot there, that's for sure. I gotta watch out. At least I'm on. Right now I'm on. I could take here, but then he's pinned me. Oh, I see. He's got this. Now he doesn't have this because he. I mean, I have this, but he's got two pawns. That's stupid to take one pawn there. Hmm. I could go here and then threaten here at any moment's notice. Push, push. He has nowhere to go. Okay, so he's chickened out. He's chickened out. Hmm. I was sure he'd go for a draw. Where's he? Oh, he's gonna move. Hmm. And then I could go here. I go here and then here. No. I'd probably go here and then push this up here. Although that would suck too. What do you want for that? Um, kind of wanted to go there anyway. The knight protects there. Time to activate my rook. No, 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 no. I could trade now. I could still take here. Okay, now I've pinned him. Doggone it. That was a good move by him. Now he has this, but I have check here. I also have. Thank God his king is wide open. Hmm. His queen is actually really badly placed to do anything in one move. That's the only move I saw after he played that decent move. I just take a pawn. He can go here. I can go here and he can win this, and then I can, and then he's got the. Oh no. Oh no, I didn't think it through. I didn't think it through. He's got a good move right here, and I take. Mm, I don't know. I just want to get away from. I'll go here. Threatening this. Hmm. I mean, just going here and trading gives him. He's not playing very well either. That's. T- t- he only has 30 seconds left. Thank God again his king is wide open. That fork. The fork fails because I get a check in. Now we pin him. He has no check, so he's pretty well pinned. Game over, dude. Let's see. I thought I ran out of time when it popped there. I was just gonna leave my knight there and get my king active. We played a standard game, 2200, 2400, even better, even better. Only one big flow right here. If he'd have seen it, he just moves over there. It's like the bot gives that a huge plus. Okay, he's got an attack gun. We gotta be careful. That's why he took that pawn. That was a blunder. Yeah, that cost him a bunch of pawns. I thought for sure here he would go here. When I take here, he takes here. And the problem is his king is wide open. He'd have to come back here. There's just no way out. He has a hard time getting out of here. C8's his best move. He just, this is why you don't let your king be this wide open. His queen had to stay near the king for checkmate this whole time. Like right here, what if he went here? It's just hard. It just happens to be bad position for him. Mm. Take, move up, check, take the pawn finally, check, trade queens, and then now it's here's where I would just go like this. Personally, I would just push the. Let's see. Yeah, I would just get out of the way. Oh yeah, he's gonna go. Gets hard. All right, maybe we shouldn't have let his king in. Hmm. That's no good. There's no way he goes. The bot's not gonna miss that. Oh, he's gonna go here. We're gonna go e5. He's gonna push. No. Hmm. Hmm. Wow, this is hilarious. There's many ways to win this. Okay, we'll save it. We crushed him. The review was the review came in with what, 87.2. That's pretty good for a long game. 87.2, 2400.